What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over SPX6900. We're just back under $1 now. We did push above it quite a bit, but we are pulling back a little bit, so I'll show you guys what I'm looking at. I'm not trading this one. I'm just believing in something. Make sure to subscribe and smash that like button if you are a SPX6900 believer, as I will be covering it on a regular basis during the bull market. We're sitting at 98 cents, up 2.72 on the day. Market cap 919 million, 24 on 40 million. So if we look at the chart, it looks like we've completed the wave 3 in a nice 5-wave move. So what we want to see is a bounce in between 69 cents and 92 cents. I think that's very likely for SPX, as it's been holding quite strong right around that $1 mark, but would be healthy to see a little bit of pullback. As you can see on the money flow index, money has been flowing out as prices have been pushing up, which is a bearish divergence, as well as we have a small divergence on the RSI on the daily time frame. So it would be healthy to see some pullback, in my opinion. Look for a bounce from this target zone. If we break 69 cents, that does become more bearish. Let me quickly look at our larger wave count here. Off the pullback low at 25 cents. Shout out to everyone that got in at 25 cents. My average price right around 45 cents, I believe. It's my, I think it's my second largest investment now, SPX. So yeah, let me quickly remove this so it's not distracting. So we have met the minimum target for our larger wave count, but I don't really like it. I'd prefer to see further higher price action. So I think it's more likely that you're going to see one more wave up to complete that larger wave 3 in the circle here for SPX. Let's quickly look at our second chart. Okay, here it is on Bybit, SPX6900. So we are following our inverse head and shoulders, still looking very, very strong, but we do want to see a little bit of pullback, allow for the 50 EMA to catch up to the 20 for them to come a little bit closer together, but we are still heading towards that 154 mark. So I think it's likely we pull back a little bit, maybe down to the 55 EMA as it catches up, and then bounce up towards that target of $1.54. That's what I'm looking at for SPX. I'm looking for $50 a coin in this cycle. Obviously, that is a very bullish price action, but the majority, including MURAD, are looking at 75 to 100. Even $20 a coin would be amazing. All right, gang, we are currently in a trade for Ethereum. If you want completely free access to my trading group, you only have to take 30 seconds of your time. Sign up to Bitfinex. That's it. Best deal on YouTube, in my opinion. It's free. Once you sign up, send me email. That's it. I'll send you the link. It includes my daily crypto analysis for all your favorite projects, including SPX. My trade signals. We're in a trade for Ethereum. Crypto news. You can see what I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits. All links down below. Almost 3,000 members in the group. Just take 30 seconds, sign up to Bitfinex, send me email. That's it. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Enjoy your day. Much love.